Alright, today I'm going to be installing a valve diverter slash blow off valve, whatever it is. Got it off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. I'm just making another video. I see people on YouTube, they don't get straight to the point. So hopefully this video gets straight to the point. Everything I do with this vehicle, this car, this Audi A5, 2010, I'm gonna try to record everything because I'm trying to mod it to the best of my abilities. Not too cheaply, but I'm gonna get to it. The job wasn't hard. It was just really hard getting to the screws. But once you got it done, everything's quick. It'll go by quick. Probably, I think like the job took me like 30 minutes to an hour. Yeah, I'm using common hand tools. Nothing specific. I don't know measurements and all that good stuff, mechanic stuff, knowledge. I just using common hand tools I bought over the year trying to fix my car for dumb stuff. But it's easy. All right, so I'm opening up the package. This is the RKX blow-off valve diverter, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that's what it came with inside the box. And that's the model number that I'm showing you. I'll just jack it up. Here I couldn't find any ones that fit, so I was just running through my bag and putting different Allen keys and hexes, seeing which one fit, and I found one. Then you go under the car. There's like a cover. There's about like 8 screws. Just take them out. Some of the screws are different. Some of them screwdrivers, flatheads. It's easy, so just take them out. And right there, that black thing with the sensor connected is the solenoid that you're gonna be taking out. It's kind of hard to get to, but it took me probably like 30 minutes to get the screws out. Maybe less, maybe less. But yeah, there's 3 screws. So the first 2, and then there's one right behind. If you get like some type of extension, you probably get it out. Like just something. The screws are not on tight. It was pretty simple to break loose, and then you can take it out with your fingers. The valve diverter, blow off valve, whatever. I used Vaseline to put around the O-rings, just for something for it to grip to. You can use motor oil, whatever. I guess I just used that. Here's the OEM one. There's like a little piece sticking out of it, and you're supposed to match it up with those holes. But I realized that it didn't sit flush. So what I did later on was basically shaved it off with like a knife. I thought I had like a filing thing, but I didn't. So I just shaved it off with the knife because it wasn't sitting flush. So. Alright, there I shaved it off. Doesn't look too good, but I got the job done because it sits flush now. You'll see it in a couple seconds. I did drop it and some plastic piece broke off, but whatever. See, now it sits flush. There's no gaps. And that's the valve diverter installed. Everything sat flush. Plugged back in the sensor. Looks good. Gonna give it a test. Yep, that sounded good. I got another video. Sounds really good. So no check engine light came on, no lights, nothing. This one's the same. So, yeah. Thank you for watching.